Well, hi, we're back at Zuri's house doing the kitchen backsplash. We are finally done. Only took us a day, about 4 hours. Grouted it and cleaned it. Had a little help by my favorite helper, Manny. So, now I'm going to reveal to you the beautiful backsplash. Gorgeous. Check it out, guys. So we cut around here, the outlets, of course, goes another one, cut around. And here you go, beautiful backsplash glass. You don't get no better than that. If you want your kitchen to look beautiful, upgraded and styled, you need to come check your girl out at Seven's Construction. I'm Seven, and my boys are the construction helpers. Get back at us.